Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man. I'm coming to another video. Today's another taste test, but before I reveal what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you're notified when I upload. Check out my gaming channel sometime if you like video game Let's Plays, and feel free to follow DMC Jedi Man's Den on social media. I'm currently on Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and Blue Sky. Links, as always, will be in the description below. They may not be clickable yet because YouTube still doesn't know that I'm a real person, so I still gotta wait a while till they figure it out. But since the links did come back on the game channel, I have hope they will eventually be back. So today I'm trying the third of the new Smoky Pringles flavors. This is the Smoky Mesquite Bbq chips. Now, hopefully they're good. The other two flavors were pretty good, although I will say the cheddar was, I think, the best that I had. Hopefully these are as good, if not better. Mesquite Bbq can be very hit or miss. Not bad. Very good, in fact. Very unique flavor. You know, not the best Mesquite Bbq flavor I've ever had, but certainly not the worst. I'd probably get those again. I found mine at Walmart, but I think they probably are... Or actually, no, I didn't get it at Walmart. I got it at Hannaford's, now that I think about it. But, yeah, I'd get those again. I hope everyone did enjoy this taste test. I will be back with another soon. Till next time, this has been DMC Jedi Man, and I am signing off. Peace, everybody.